Instant Hot RO System. Installation and use guide video. Step 1. Install the feed water adapter, 3/8 or 1/2. Shut off the water supply. Turn on the kitchen faucet to release the water pressure. Disconnect the cold water pipe from the cold water supply valve. Twist the feed water adapter onto the cold water valve, with its washer. Twist the cold water pipe, with its washer onto the feed water adapter and tighten the with an adjustable wrench. Step 2. Install the smart faucet. Insert the faucet stem, power cord and filtered water tubing into the decoration base and hole on the countertop in turn. Under the sink, slip on the nut and tighten it up. Step 3. Install the drain saddle. Choose a spot on the drain pipe that is convenient for installing the drain saddle and drill a 1/4 hole. Be sure not to penetrate the opposite side of the pipe. Slip the front plate to one end of the tubing, with the mark, and insert the tubing into the drilled hole up to about 0.6. Fix the drain saddle with screws and install the lock slip on the fitting to secure the connection. Step 4. Position the system housing. Step 5. Connect tubing. Before connecting the PE tubing to the system, remove the plug from water port. Insert inlet, water tubing, white tubing into the inlet, port, white water port. Insert drain, water tubing, gray tubing into drain, port, gray water port. Insert hot water tubing, red tubing into hot, port, red water port. Insert pure water tubing, blue tubing into pure, port, blue water port. Step 6. Connect the faucet power cord. Insert the faucet power cord into the faucet connector at the back of the housing and tighten it. Step 7. Start up the system. Turn on the cold water valve. Check for leaks. Insert the system's power plug into the socket. After the system is powered on, the system will be started up for 3 seconds and then enters into a flushing mode. After powering up, the system starts flushing automatically for 60 seconds. The screens on the system and faucet display a 60-second countdown. Touch the key to turn on the faucet and flush for 10 minutes. The system starts flushing for 10 minutes until there is no water output from the faucet. The system will automatically add water to the heating tank for 5 minutes until the tank is full. Then the system stops working automatically. Setup manual. Start up heating mode. Hold the heating key for 3 seconds to start up the heating mode. Temperature setup. When the heating mode is first started, the preset temperature is 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Touch temperature control keys on the system or the faucet control panel to adjust temperatures, or hold the temperature control keys to rapidly adjust the temperatures. The temperature setup range is 104,203 degrees Fahrenheit, 4095 degrees Celsius. Get cold water. Touch the cold water key to get or turn off the cold water. The faucet screen will display TDS level of filtered water. Get hot water. Press the safety lock key for 1 second. The system will give out a beep sound. The safety lock function is disabled, and hot water can be obtained by touching the hot water key. Standby mode. The indicator and screen stay off when the system and the faucet are not operated for 20 seconds. Touch any key of the system and faucet to wake up the system.